Hey there, my name is Tobin Carpenter, and I'm an MSP consultant at Profile Technologies. Over the next several videos, we'll be performing a deep dive into policy objects and how they can be configured to facilitate automation within your environment. In our VSA Basics series, we introduce you to the concepts of policies and how objects can be configured to automate endpoint settings within the VSA. If you need a refresher on this, you can find it on our channel. In this video, we'll be discussing the Credentials Object. Let's get into it. The credential object allows two things. First, if combined with another policy object, it forces the policy to use a specific account to perform the actions of the policy. Second, if used by itself, allows you to configure machines to have a specific username password created on the machine or to update the password of the account if it is already present. It also ensures the account is added or updated to future machines as they check into VSA. I recommend only using this for workgroup machines. The first checkbox requires credentials to be configured under Audit Module Manage Credentials Functions, and in most cases you will not be using this option. Enter a username and password that you wish to use, ensuring it's secure. For example, you can see I have MSP-admin, and then the password. Select Local User Account, and select Create New Account as Administrator. This ensures that the account is created if not present and is set to administrator. Do note, if this account does not require administrative credentials, do not use the As Administrator option. And that concludes the credential object discussion. As always, remember to save and apply and ensure that the policy is placed into organizations and machine groups to apply the machines in the view. Thanks for watching. We post new videos every week to share our knowledge on Kaseya, ConnectWise Automate, ConnectWise RMM, and more. Let us know what else you'd like to see.